What up, y'all? Monday morning, almost 5 a.m. Picking up my first load from Long Island City. Gonna take this to Jamaica. From Jamaica, gonna go to College Point and then go back and forth from College Point to Jamaica all day until I can't no more, you feel me? Till the wheels fall off. Yeah, right now we're here, we're loading. I mean, we out here, we about to grind it out this week. You know what I mean? Gonna have a day off this week, so I gotta grind it out every day that I do work this week. You feel me? There's Georgie. Right there. Oh, I'm about to hit the light. Damn, Joel is back. Good morning. You want me to sell it to you? Thank you. as you can see, the material's full over here. I don't know how many more loads I'm gonna be able to bring here today, unless they start using the material, you know, right away. But as of right now, it looks full. So I'm gonna bring a load of stone, and then when I bring that stone, I'll see where we're at. I basically dumped outside the bin right now. See that? Outside the bin. One, 3, 2, 4, 3, be all 5, 7, 6, Probably a slow day today, because all the other plants, talking to my boys right now on the phone, they saying that it's full too. So whatever we could do, we do. And whatever we can't, we can't. Feel me? Not gonna lose our minds over it. We got an issue here. So my hub seal is leaking right now. Like bad. So I'm gonna have to go park. I just fixed it this weekend. It was leaking, now it's leaking worse. I don't know. So I'm gonna have to go park. I can't drive like this. My wheel could fall off or catch fire. You know what I mean? So right now I had no choice but to come back to Brooklyn with the load that I just picked up. I actually realized that it was leaking when I was picking up the load. I was about to get into the truck and I just see it dripping. I'm gonna show you guys in a few. So I have no choice but to come back to Brooklyn. As you know, I was gonna go to Jamaica with that load, but I'm gonna come back to Brooklyn because this is where I park. So I'm gonna dump this load and park and really give it a good look and see what's going on. You know what I mean? I don't know, but I really you can't drive like that. Whole wheel could come off, could burn, it could melt. Thank God it's not really a busy day from what I see. But let me just give it a good look and see what's going on. If it's something that could be resolved at the moment, we'll resolve it and keep working. If not, then just have the mechanic check it later on today. I ended up not dumping the load. I just came to park right away because there was a line of trucks out there waiting to dump and I didn't want to wait any longer. So I just came to safety and park. But I'm gonna show you guys how it's leaking. Thing is dripping down like a fountain. And the tire's low. I don't know what went wrong there, but look at that. Minor things that cause these things. So I'm just gonna drop the landing gear just because I'm loaded really heavy, you know. So drop the landing gear, dump this load tomorrow morning. Losing another day due to this. But if you know me, you know I take it easy. And I already know it comes with the game. You feel me? I don't stress it too much. If you know me, you know. So just drop the landing gear. Gonna go see the mechanic that made the repair now. And see what he says. This thing is leaking pretty quick. I've only been here 2 minutes and look at the puddle it's left there. Let's see what's going on. Oh man, it's crazy. Crazy thing is, I was just hitting up my mechanic to ask him what was the part numbers of the hub seal, just so I could have extra ones in stock, just in case this happens again, you know, because like I just got it fixed. And here I am. Now I'm at the brake service group, the parts store, and I'm about to get a few hub seals, and maybe it needs another new hub seal, so I'm just gonna get a couple.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So here we go, got a few of these, you know what I mean? Called the mechanic that did the work, not my usual mechanic, the mechanic that did the work. And I parked the truck by him, and let's see what he's gonna do. He's gonna take it back apart and see what's going on there. Hopefully I don't have to get the whole hub. Maybe it was just left loose. Spoke to him, he said it don't look like anything else was broken or worn out, so I don't know. Whatever it is, we gonna make it work. So quick update, it is Tuesday. I got the hub seal swapped out again, and guess what happened this morning? It was leaking again. So it turns out that the part number that I got from Peterbilt, when I got the other hub seal, it was a different hub seal. So what they did was, Peterbilt didn't have the hub seal, so I went to another store to get the hub seal, and they took the Peterbilt number and crossed it into another brand, and they said it would be the same. So I brought the hub seal to my mechanic. The mechanic, not the mechanic that usually does my work, but my mechanic did say that as long as it doesn't matter the shape of the hub seal, like it doesn't matter, like I'll show you a picture here. You see how one of them has like a lip and the other one doesn't? He said it doesn't matter as long as it fits. But it turns out that it happened again. We put that other hub seal in, and now it is still leaking. So I had to go all the way to Long Island to find the actual hub seal with that Peterbilt part number. And I'll show you a picture of it here. So now I got the actual part, and now the mechanic is gonna try it again, and we're gonna see how it is tomorrow, and let's see if it stops leaking. You know what I mean? That's where I'm at. But it's alright. Today was a slow day anyway. I didn't really miss anything. So I don't know why they cross numbers into other brands knowing that it's not the same shape, if that makes sense. Like it has to be the same exact thing even if it's another brand. But whatever. Here we are, and I'll keep you guys updated. Alright, so quick update. Guess what? We back on the road. That hub seal that I ended up buying yesterday worked. Nothing is leaking. You know what I mean? I'm gonna show you on a few. Nothing is leaking. Everything is good. We're good to go. We back on the road. You feel me? Now we just getting these loads done, you know what I mean? And as you see, it's good now. No more leaks, none of that. So finally, after 3 tries, we got it done. You know what I mean?